Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a hotel in the Transavia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the hotels button. And the application will direct you to booking, where you can search for your destination. So for example, if you want to go to London, then just click on that. And after that you can select the arrival and the leaving date. And next you have to set the number of adults, children that you want to have a room for. And for example, if you are traveling with friends, you can ask for separate rooms, so you can set that as well. And then just click on the done button. And there's also an option, if you are traveling for work, then just tick that. And then just click on the search button, and the application will calculate the best findings for you. So here you can see all the available properties for that date, and now you can just scroll through and find the best for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.